So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your taskbar is disappearing again and again. Now here you see if I move my mouse away, it disappears. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply open the settings of your task of your laptop. You can simply find the settings just by pressing on the start menu, the Windows icon on your keyboard, and here in this start menu search for settings, and the settings in the search bar search for taskbar settings right there. Now here, when you open it, simply scroll down and click on this option of taskbar behavior, and here you will see this option of automatically hide taskbar. Simply uncheck it. Now once you do that, you'll notice that the taskbar will appear on your screen and it will not go away. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.